Do you hear that? The water is calling your name. Time to get you and your friends out into the wet stuff. Hey, it's Scott here from Yakima, and we're gonna float your boat on our SweetRoll. It's a boat carrier that's nice on your boat and back by being super easy to load. Let's take a closer look. Out of the box, you get 4 saddles that sit atop a spring-loaded base. No assembly required. The wing-shaped surface adjusts to many hole types and crossbar tilt. A favorite feature of the SweetRoll are the integrated rollers in the rear saddles. These make for easy loading of your boat. To install, simply loosen the mount knob. For Yakima round bars, use the round bar adapters. For all other bar shapes, attach the front saddles to the front crossbar and attach the rear saddles to the rear crossbar, with the rollers facing out to the rear of your car. Once lined up, tighten all 4 to the crossbars. Turn the knob to the horizontal position and lock with our SKS same key system. It's a set of lock cores that only need 1 key that you can use for all your Yakima gear. Now you're ready to load your boat. From the rear of your car, place the bow on the rear saddles, then roll the boat on using the rollers to assist. Center the boat to distribute the weight evenly. At this point, check to see if you need to adjust the position of your saddles to get the most support. The SweetRoll comes with heavy-duty straps to secure your boat to your rack. Wrap the strap around your crossbar, then bring the end with the buckle up and over the boat. Then feed the end without the buckle underneath the crossbar and inside the tower. Feed the strap through the buckle and tighten. Excess strap can be stored in the strap clip. Repeat this process on the other crossbar. Don't hit the road without tying down your bow and stern. Loop the small strap through your boat, then feed the loose end of the long strap through the cam buckle. Take the loop end of the strap and feed the metal hook through, attaching it to a metal mounting point underneath your bumper. The strap sleeves protect your vehicle's finish. Tighten the strap and fold away the excess. Repeat the process for the bow, and now you're shorebound. And there it is, the SweetRoll. There's no better way to tote an array of boats, from whitewater and sea kayaks to recreational boats and fishing kayaks, even stand-up paddleboards. Sweet gear goes here, friends go here. Yakima, take more friends.